It's really easy to request and receive money from friends using the PayPal app. In this video, we'll walk through the steps for sending a PayPal money request. Start by opening the PayPal app. You will need to have a PayPal account in order to send a request, so make sure that you've set that up and that you're logged into your account. Once you are in, from the home page here, tap Request on the bottom right of the screen. Next, you can either scroll through your contacts list here to find the person that you want to send the request to, or at the top, enter the other user's name, username, email, or phone number. When you find the person that you want to send the request to, select their name, and on the next screen, enter the amount that you want to request. Once you enter the amount, you can then add a message or a description, and you can even add a little sticker or an animation if you want. When you're done, hit the next or the review button. Look over the money request one last time, and when you're ready, hit request now. When you send a money request, you won't be charged a fee if you use friends and family member and they pay you with a PayPal balance of their own, or if they have their bank or an Amex Send account linked to their PayPal. There could be a small fee if they pay using a credit or a debit card though. You can check the current fee on the PayPal website, but it sits around 2.9 or 3%. Just remember, try to have them pay using their PayPal account that's connected to their bank, that way you avoid all the fees. Once you send the money request, the other user will receive it and they can pay you through the link that they get. And once they pay you, the money should show up pretty quick. Most of the time, it occurs within minutes, but depending on the PayPal balances and the bank transfers, it could take up to 30 minutes. This varies though with PayPal and all the different banks. But once it does transfer, the money will be available right away inside of your PayPal account. And that's how you request and receive money using the PayPal app.